The determined fisherman and the determined fisherwoman took a road trip to Daytona Beach to see what the fishing is like on the east coast of Florida for a change. A local bait shop told the determined duo that most of the fishing piers along the Atlantic Ocean were knocked down by the last couple of hurricanes and never rebuilt, all except for the pier at the end of Main Street.
What do you catch out here?
Somebody was catching a jack when we got here, and then somebody said they caught a small pompano out here.
Oh yeah. Good luck.
Thank you.
But unbeknownst to the determined duo on this pier, they aren't going to catch jack. Right when the determined duo was packing up to find another spot, this happened.
That's a black drum. Got him.
The determined fisherman and the determined fisherwoman found themselves trying their luck at the Port Orange Causeway Park, where the water was much calmer. This boardwalk has fishing pole holder holes which are very nice to have, in order to not lose your rod when a fish bites, and the wire railing is ideal to keep the little kiddos safe from falling in. All in all, this is a very family-friendly fishing spot. Although the determined duo traveled over 126 miles across the state to fish on the ocean side, they still managed to catch the same old junk fish. Securing the tail, the determined fishermen removed the hook with a set of pliers before releasing it back into the water.
Still got my bait. About to drop your phone.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Yeah, it's going underneath the
Bridge. Hang it up. You hung up.
yeah. It's on your chair. Don't drop it. You gotta tighten your dress.
No, that one looks a little bigger than the one you hooked.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a lot of stingray out here.
And another one.
like about the same. Loosen your drag. I mean, like loosen the bell so you can get some line out.
No, I think that one's a little bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
At first I seen it move a little and I'm like, okay, wait, is there something? I was like, let me just hold on to this for a second.
It just sit there.
Yeah, and then it went, like I pulled and I was like, I didn't feel anything because it was swimming away for a second. And then I saw it, I was like, oh wait, something's on my line.
It's a decent ways down. You can't even see the bait.
You're just under the bridge. Oh, you got something.
Puffer fish.
That's what's stealing your bait. That's a big puffer. Did he let go? He let go. No, he's still on there. Well, that's a big puffer.
A spiny puffer.
That's a spiny puffer.
It does look kind of different from the Gulf side.
Nope, they're all the same.
Are those spiky though, or are they just scared of actually pokey, or are they just to scare off predators?
I don't want to find out.
He's got some big old eyeballs. And he grunts.
The strapped burrfish is a member of the porcupine fish family, which has immovable spines. Like other members of the pufferfish family, they produce tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that can cause serious health problems, including paralysis and respiratory failure if ingested.
Why does he look so different?
I mean, we have them over. Well, Gandhi area had some.
Oh, they got teeth.
Oh, they will f you up. They
Yeah, like a row of teeth, like us.
they have a beak, and they
He
actually
doesn't have a beak, but he has teeth.
they actually like crack shells. Oops. There we go.
He has like teepees. Like he got a row of, like he got a grill. You see, he got two teeth up there too,
Yeah.
and then he's got something that comes down over the bottom.
That's a beak right there,
Oh,
and it will. Oop. I don't know if you can hear it.
I can hear him grunting and
You hear that?
chewing.
You hear that?
Don't crack his poor teeth. He needs those to eat.
That's his beak.
Oh,
They crack shells and rocks with that. Well, he puffed up. He gotta have to deflate and go down. You don't know he's free yet.